I'm sorry for the late thing here. Trying to figure out where I'm gonna put this mini split. So I'm gonna put it there. We already got the disconnect box hooked up there. See it? You zoom it in. So it's gonna come in, I'm gonna run the lines along there and have it blow here. Believe me, I know that this is way too small for this installation. She don't care, I don't care, she said just do it. So I'll show you upstairs here. Working in the dark. Here's the line, power line, EMT, 12 wire, it's only 10 amps, down and outside there. Alright, so electrical's done, now we're gonna hang the unit on the wall out there. Alright, so now we gotta get this is the unit up there. Arrow facing out. Alright, boys. I had to put that on my shoulder and carry it up there. Yeah, okay. Me and Kendall carried it up. So there's the box, disconnect. There's that. I'm gonna run the line set. I think I'm gonna come down and go under. Come back up. We're gonna put it in the middle of that wall right there. Mosquito trying to bite me. Alright. I'll be back with the vacuuming. Alright, so we got the hole drilled. $14 inches of brick. There's the outside. Line set to come out there, across the window, down to there. Kendall's fastening the outside unit to the bracket we made. Inside unit too. I don't want to. So the black wire in here doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3. As long as you got the colors the same as the outside. So take a picture of it. Alright, so we're using the 12 wire, which is 20 amps in the insulated tube, because this unit full blast is only 10 amps. Oh, okay. So it'll be fine. See, like I said, inside unit 1, 2, 3, red, white, and black, same colors. No neutral in this system. Just the ground from there to the inside unit. No neutral, says it in the book. So that's what I ended up with. Gotta tape that up. Gotta put better straps on there. How you doing? Alright, it's holding the vacuum. So I'm gonna release the Freon. Now I'll go turn the unit on. This cab's back on. Stand down. Turn the unit on. Alright, we're on. Let it run. See the pressure's going up. I'm gonna let it run. 80 degrees out here. So we gotta let the bad boy run. 117. Gotta let it get up to 117. Alright, it's rising. It's cool inside. No leaks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, boys. Pioneer. See? Almost up to 117. See? It'll go down and up. And let it get going here. Talk to you later.